Hi, it's Jonathan from Equipmart, your online retailer for pressure washers, cleaning equipment, parts and accessories. Here we have a high pressure turbo nozzle. This is a really aggressive nozzle lance that you can plug into your pressure washer. The way that it works is that if you listen to it rattle there, it's got a floating nozzle inside with a needle jet. So the water's forced into the bulb at the top. The nozzle hits the top, it can't go anywhere, so it throws a coil of water out in a very, very thin pencil nozzle, but it spins out as a wide sort of cone fan jet. If you're using it on grass or moss, clumps of grass, it will rip it all out. It's very aggressive. If you look right up at the nozzle there, it's really well made. This is a lot more substantial than a lot of the other manufacturers' originals. On the other end here, we actually do supply it with several different couplings for various different pressure washers. So we have adapters, that's the Karcher one, we have the Bosch one, and then we've got a Nilfisk one as well. That's the standard Bosch, not the AQT, but if you check on the listing, it'll tell you which couplings you can adapt it to. But that's the 140 bar turbo nozzle from Equipmart.